Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the Monday morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video, September the 19th, 2011. Weather turning wet on us at times this week as we could use some rain. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots at the ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock this morning. First off, the view coming from downtown Jasper in Walker County. The sky mostly cloudy. Check the Tuscaloosa Skycam. Looking east from high atop the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse and up in the Tennessee Valley. A look at downtown Huntsville. All right, got troughing west of the state, setting the stage for some unsettled weather for the next few days. The most active convection for now remains well to the west over parts of northeastern Texas and Arkansas, but at 4:58 a.m., we note that we've got a few sprinkles on radar around here. More significant rain off to the west over the Golden Triangle of eastern Mississippi. And that is moving to the east, and looks like we'll have occasional showers and a thunderstorm or two for the next several days. Here's a look at the temperatures this morning. You can see the tongue of warmer air coming up ahead of the trough, with readings around here mostly in the 60s this morning, and nice and cold back in the northwest behind that trough, with readings in the 40s up there. Hey, those counties in purple, that's a winter weather advisory for parts of Montana. That's nice. And around here, no current watches or warnings in effect. And really, we don't expect any severe convection this week. This is the convective outlook for today. We're in the general thunderstorm zone, and pretty much the same thing tomorrow. As could be a bit of thunder, but with limited instability, we don't expect any severe weather issues. Here's a look at the QPF chart. Expected rain for the next 5 days, and numbers have come on up. Hey, we'll take that. Amounts of 1 inch or more are likely for much of the state, and this is valid through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. And the bulk of that will be today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Tropical weather. Watching that wave out in the central Atlantic. Pretty low latitude, so let's see what the models do with this. Interesting to note that most of the models are relatively slow. In 5 days, they've still got this thing at some point still east of the Leeward Islands, but the GFDL is really fast. It races the thing across the Leewards and to a point south of Hispaniola. And we'll just kind of keep an eye on that. Plenty of time to watch this. The intensity forecast, not really aggressive. Most models bring it up to a tropical storm, but not to a hurricane. In fact, all of them are pretty much in that camp for the next 5 days. But again, nothing close to home. So let's check the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening. A little shortwave coming through, and that should bring a few showers and storms around here later today. It's not going to rain all day, but it will rain at times. And because of the clouds, we will not see 80 today. In fact, the GFS is showing a high of only 73, the NAM at 77. Tomorrow, the moisture axis is still in place. The day should be a warmer day. The sun might peek out at times, but there will be a chance of scattered showers and maybe a storm in spots tomorrow afternoon. And the day should be warmer, highs back in the 80s. Wednesday, again, the weather looks unsettled, warm, muggy. A chance of showers, maybe a storm with highs in the low to mid-80s. And Thursday, a cold front comes in. And that just might be the day with the best coverage of showers and storms with that added lift and the low-level convergence. Again, pretty warm with low to mid-80s. And then Friday, look at that trough setting up over the east. And yeah, that's going to push that dry air right down in here. So Friday looks like the sky becomes sunny, a nice north breeze, low humidity, highs in the 70s. And Saturday, a beautiful day to kick off the weekend. Just nice. We'll start the day down there in the low 50s, and we might see some 40s for some of the cooler spots, and highs only in the upper 70s. And Sunday, again, the same deal. Lows in the 50s, highs upper 70s, low humidity. Just a beautiful, beautiful weekend, and Monday of next week looks nice as well. We'll check the end of the forecast. October 4th. Yeah. Got the big old heat bubble out west and a nice cool trough over the east. And if that's right, the weather looks nice and refreshing and pleasant with continental air in place. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.